Hi guys, it's another fabulous day here with the Crave Cook. Today we will be making the fabulous Cajun Stuffed Salmon. This recipe is perfect for every occasion. Alright, so these are some of the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, so to a bowl I'll be adding some onion powder, some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some chili powder, some Italian seasoning and parsley, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. So we will mix everything well, make sure everything is nice and incorporated. We will also add our lemon pepper and mix that well. So these are the rest of the ingredients for the most amazing stuffing. All right, you can stuff chicken, fish, you name it. So we have some spinach, some mushrooms, parsley, garlic, bell peppers, cream cheese, parmesan, and smoked gouda. So to a pan on medium heat, I add 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'll be adding my mushrooms. Give that a good stir. Cook this until it started to produce its own liquid, and then we'll add our spinach mixed well, and I go in with some garlic. Now I'm adding my complete seasoning and some pepper flakes and mixed well. I'll go in with my bell peppers, some fresh parsley, and we will mix everything in well together. Fry this actually until there's little to no moisture in there, and set aside and allow to become room temperature so we can add our cheese or cheeses. So here I'll go in with my cream cheese. We don't want the filling to become extremely runny, but this is actually very rich, flavorful, thick, and it can be used on stuffed breast, stuffed pasta. It is that amazing. I'll go in with my freshly grated parmesan. Make sure everything is nice and combined. And guys, you can use any cheese of your preference. Now I'm adding the smoked gouda. This cheese is beautiful. Okay, make sure to taste, make sure the flavor is just right for you. Amazing. And this is what it looks like. Gorgeous. So now for the magic, I would have already washed my salmon. So now I will season my salmon with the dry rub we would have made earlier. And we're just using about half or less than half of the mixture we would have made. And I'll leave the amount in the description box. What we do not want to do, guys, is to over season the fish, because the filling is very, very rich and flavorful. So I'm using a paring knife, and after seasoning the fish, I would slit the side or the center and create a pocket, really deep pocket, so we can add our filling. We will season that as well, lightly season that, because we're all about flavor here, guys. All right. Again, we do not want to over season the fish because the filling has lots of flavor. Now we will go in with our stuffing, our beautiful, delicious stuffing, and we will make sure to get a generous amount all the way in the salmon. So the reason I season the fish before is because if I add the filling before and you need to press on the salmon, I would kind of push the filling out. So I tend to season it before, and look at that. How beautiful our salmon looks. Gorgeous. And we will do that for the other piece of our salmon, trying to get everything in there, all the way in that salmon. Amazing. Delicious. Now it's time for us to sear. So to my cast iron skillet, I added 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow this to melt. Then I add 1 stem of rosemary and 2 garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. Allow that to infuse the oil and the butter. OMG, it smells amazing in this kitchen. Now I add my salmon. Allow this to cook for about 3 minutes on each side. On medium-high heat. Looks gorgeous. Look at that, guys. I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. I don't know about you. So now I will add a piece of foil paper and place this in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes. And that is our fish. Look at that, so flaky, so red. Oh my gosh, this is so pink, I should say. Filling intact, delicious. Guys, if you try this recipe or you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. Thank you again so much for spending the time with me today. I really appreciate it, and do enjoy. See you on the next video. So here is what I drink after every meal. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.